Are we on the boat? Is it on?
Strong.
Oh, it's a I think it's a striper. One second, baby.
You got it?
Oh. All right, turn this, turn that, drag.
But what way?
Yeah,
Can you
tighten it.
Can you just go grab a net?
Yeah. Okay.
'Cause I
Let me get the bell. All right, baby. I need you to walk backwards.
like that.
Yeah. One second. All right, walk backwards a little bit more.
Back?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
You got it.
Yeah! Oh yeah! I'm not a loser anymore. Yeah!
Yeah.
Dude,
21.
21. They look so much bigger than 21.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, snap. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. Kinga caught this. So first striped bass in like 2 or 3 months. First keeper striped bass since December.